We're then going to go to the die cutter on the DSM 1000 for our die cutting, and then we'd finish off over here on the folder gluer. So Mo, if you want to start off, so let me give you some rundown of the DDC 8000. It's a B2 plus embellishment machine. It will also do foiling, spot foiling. At the beginning we have a sheet feeder, suction feeder, which will take a sheet size of 585 by 1060 millimeters. We then have a corona treater here, which is allowing us to use one oil with multiple print engines. You don't have to change over the oil between your jobs. We then have a registration system. This registration system will allow you to have the first sheet in register, perfect detail. We then go on to our Kyocera 600 DPI head. 600 DPI. This gives us the best detail. We then have another unit here, which is our UV LED, stopping the growth of that oil. So you get perfect detail. What it'll also do, it'll also make that oil slightly tacky when we come to putting it through the foil. So Mo's just run the first 5 sheets. What we have there, ladies and gentlemen, is uncoated stocks. Come please ask us about uncoated stocks on this machine. So once it's done the foil, we're now going to the DSM 1000. So the DSM 1000 digital die cutter. It uses conventional dies. We have a chase unit that allows you to use your existing dies from your other machines. Again, we have a sheet feeder. This will actually suck the sheet up and push it through to our registration system. Again, registration system allowing it for skew and for position. We then have 40 tons of pressure pushing that machine or pushing that job through. We then have a very great USP here, allowing us to separate the job from the waste, saving you hours and hours of time. We'll come back to some more detail on that. We'll just pass this now through to the guys on the folder gluer. While we're doing that, Mo is now actually set up ready now for the foil unit. So that foil unit is running. We're going to run another 5 sheets, but this time it's going to be the folder. So over here we have our folder gluer. Single glue line, producing boxes and pocket folders. It's fully automated from a PC controller. Give you some ideas on sizes. Our maximum box size is 230 by 290 by 100 millimeters. Minimum box size, business card boxes. We have a maximum speed of up to 700 units per hour on this machine. So fairly quick. Paperweights from 200 grams to 400 GSM. So it will cover all of your folders, all of your boxes. We have a feeder capacity of 360 millimeters. So great for short runs. Our first job is out. We're now carrying on running here. While we're doing that, Mo, just coming out, he's just finishing there. What Russell's now doing, we've already changed the die over at a DSM. There's so much happening all in one go here. But we're now setting the separators to separate a pocket folder from the waste. Again, saving you hours and hours of time. So the folder gluer, as I said, is all run via the PC controller. Once you have a job on here, you've set it right, you can change from one job to another within seconds. Very, very quick. We're now running our 8th box there, so we'll come back to that. But I will assure you guys that that will be ready for the next job. And it will take literally no more than 20 to 30 seconds to set that next job up. So, pocket folders are coming out. All done, Mo, yeah? That's Mo finished for the day?
UV, die cut, and then...
So now we have DSM. As I was saying, what we have here is a PC controller system. We have 40 tons of pressure on this machine. Now 40 tons of pressure doesn't seem much, but it allows us also to have 3 hits on a sheet. So if we have a 9-up job, we can have a 3-up die, and we can hit that sheet 3 times, saving you money on the die, saving you money on the crease matrix. So it started coming out, so this will be no more than probably 5 seconds for this 5 sheets to come out. Again, as you can see out there, all the separation done. No worries about taking nicks out or anything on that folder. So that's all done. They're now just finishing off on the folder gluer. We're now going to set up for the next job. Last one's just dropped out. So we have our 20 boxes here. All done. Please hand them around. Thank you. So that's 20 boxes, perfume boxes, all ready to be packed, to be shipped out. We've now set up now for the folder glue. In fact, the first one's just coming through now.